Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy A04 mobile phone. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, create a small gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Slide the tool around the edges to carefully release the plastic clip securing the frame. This process is slightly challenging and needs patience. Next, take out the back cover from the body. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 10 screws. Next, apply heat to the broken camera lens glasses. Next, push from the rear side to take out the lens ring. If your lens is severely cracked, gently take out the pieces. And then clean the lens area to remove the broken pieces. Ensure the surface is clean before installing the new lens. Next, place the new camera lens ring with adhesive. Follow the same steps for the other broken lenses too. Next, secure the board cover by inserting 10 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. To close the back cover, first align it carefully over the phone. Next, gently press down along the edges. You will hear little clicks as the clip snaps into place. Run your fingers along the sides to ensure every clip is snapped. Finally, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.